Like this right here is it on you, okay?
Cause I'm just seeing that. What's going on, guys? It's your girl Easy Breezy, and we are back with another hair sponsor. Thank you so much, Dola Hair. They sent us a really cute lace closure wig. Now, we have our girl Honeybee back in the building, and I haven't done two things on her. Number one, a lace closure. Number two, a jet black lace closure, okay? So I'm excited. I took like a little mini hiatus.
Okay.
I've been taking a hiatus.
From like live social media, well, that internet, like
everything.
Yeah.
Look at all. I'm out under a rock. I don't want to hear nothing. All right, so we're using our beige stocking cap from GalaxyGirlHair.com. Go ahead and snag your stocking caps today. All right, so what makes this wig so special is that it includes the piano key elastic band on the inside. So this allows you to make the wig looser or tighter, and it's a lot more secure than the original drawstring that's in the bottom of a lot of wigs. And as you saw, the band is a lot thicker and wider, and it's more durable. So your wig will fit you tighter for a longer period of time. Dark hair in a while. Say boom, 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 boom. Volume layer. Give me a Kimmy Kane. All right, so instead of doing the wet mold like I normally do, I'm just gonna add some flyaway tamer to the top of the closure, and then I'm gonna hit it with the hot comb. Now, normally, if I wanted the top to be really flat, I would mold it, like definitely. But because we're doing barrel curls today and the style is gonna be, it's not that flat. Like, it has some body on top, has body on the sides, and we're kind of going for like the barrel curl bed head look. I don't have to mold it. Y'all, I'm going in with this hot comb and it's definitely doing its job. Now, you can't have barrel curls without layers, so I'm going to cut some layers in the front and take them back a little bit. All right, so the barrel curlers that I'm using is by the brand Andis. They're really known for their male clippers, but I love their stylist tools, like love. All right, so in total, I probably do around like 8 to 10 curls around the entire head. I don't have to do that much because I'm gonna comb them out anyway, and I want it to have a soft look in the end. And I also pin curl each curl so that it can have some bounciness. anything, I was expecting that to be so cute. Y'all, we did that. Yeah, we definitely did that. Once again, thank you so much, Dola Hair, for sponsoring this video with this lovely lace closure wig. If you guys want this exact unit, I'm gonna put all the information in the description below. So before we close this video out, I wanted to take my paddle brush and comb the curls out and just see what it looked like, a more softer look. And I love it. Now, you guys already know, if you are not subscribed to this channel already, make sure you go ahead and do that and turn on your notifications. See y'all later.
Like, this right here is it on you, okay?
Because I'm just saying that. Because I thought a bitch said something.